I love cooking chicken thighs for competition. I've always done fairly well, but I've always felt like there was more I could do. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube and some of the other channels that I subscribe to and follow, and I've seen some guys go on there and pull the skin off and remove the fat from the back of it. They say this gives it more of a crispy bite-through texture, and that's what I'm really looking for today. So as I trim this chicken up and remove this skin, and I'd just like for you to learn with me. So this will be a learning process for us both. So thank you for joining, and we're going to go through here, trim this chicken up, and remove the fat from the skin. We'll see how it turns out. As I go through here trimming up this chicken, I like to remove all the fat that I can. By removing the skin, I notice there's more fat up under there than I thought there was. So when you're cooking for judges or just your family and friends at a backyard barbecue, and you remove this skin and start trimming the fat, you're going to allow a lot more crispy bite, a better texture, and that's what we're looking for here today. Now that we got our chicken trimmed up and our fat removed, now it's time to focus on the skin. Now as I spread it out and start to realize, being this the first time I've ever done it, I realized that I could actually be a little more aggressive with the skin than I thought I could be. Now you still don't want to tear any holes, and it's still gonna slip out from under your fingers and be hard to handle, but I noticed the more I did it, each and every piece that I did it with, it got a little bit easier. So it's more of a feel, but as you can see, there's a lot of fat up under that skin, a lot more than I thought there was. As you can see, this does take a little time. I'm sure the more that you do it and the better you get at it, it would be a lot quicker. I hope so anyways. As I'm finishing up, I start to realize that the skin's actually pretty thin without that fat. So hopefully it will give us that crispy bite-through chicken that we're looking for. Now let's get the grill fired up. Today we'll be cooking on the Rectech RT700, the Bull. I recently just purchased this grill, and so far I love it. The RT700 comes with a 40-pound hopper, which allows for plenty of cook time. Man, did these things turn out great. As you can see, the ones on the right are the ones that I took the skin and peeled back the fat. The ones on the left are the ones I left the fat on. You can see that the smoke really did a good job on the ones with less fat. Now time for the true test. Let's see how clean of a bite we can get onto these things. Man, those turned out great. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned as much as I did today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing you soon.